Okay, so in order to test it, there's a lot of possibilities. So we just have somebody pick a voltage from 0 to 3.3 volts.
2.5.
How much?
2.5.
2.5. All right, so basically we connect our fluke meter to the power source and adjust it at 2.5. There, 2.5.
Okay, now we'll measure it with this.
So then we actually go ahead and connect the voltage probe to our voltage and our ground, and wait for the averaging function to average the values. And 2.5 volts.
Nice.
Right there. And anybody want to pick 3 resistor band colors?
Red, purple,
Red, violet, and blue. Purple.
Red, purple.
It's violet.
It's violet, yeah. Okay, that's
So
it tells you that it's 27 mega ohms and
2.5 volts divided by our
27 mega ohms.
Mega.
And it will also tell you the
Should
theoretical
give
value,
us
the current value.
9.25 to the negative 8.
9.25.
9.25 to the negative 8 amps. Right there. And then for our current measuring, we'll go ahead and banana go. Oh, here it is. So as we can see right now, it's through this circuit we got connected through our current sensor right here. It's 130 milliamps, and like we said,
The current sensor
we're getting like an average of 70 to 80 milliamps. So there's the whole accuracy issue. But so we're going to change the value. Actually, it changes. Here's your demo.
On the color code, rotates through the colors.
Yes.
rotates through the colors.
Rotates through. Is it black through white?
Right.
On each one.
Yeah, great. Good.